Hey there, washing clothes can be a real hassle, especially if you live in an apartment, dorm, or RV. That's why I'm here to introduce you to the HABUTWAY 17.6Lb portable twin tub washing machine with gravity drain pump. This machine is a game changer when it comes to doing your laundry. First of all, let's talk about capacity. This twin tub washing machine has a 17.6 pounds capacity with 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. This means you can wash a good amount of laundry in one go, saving you valuable time and energy. Not only is it practical, but it's also easy to operate. With 3 different washing modes, all you have to do is put in your clothes and detergent, fill it with water, set the timer, and start washing and spinning. Plus, the built-in drainage pump quickly discharges the water from the tub, making the process even more efficient. But that's not all. The HABUTWAY washing machine is also designed to save water and electricity. Its compact and low-power design saves a lot of water and power, while the dual-motor system provides strong laundry power. This machine is highly efficient and compact, giving you quality washing and drying without the hefty electricity bill. In addition, the separate time control and noise reduction make this machine even more convenient. The separate timer control allows for more efficient laundry washing, and the noise level is under 20 decibels, so it won't disturb you, even at night. Last but not least, this washing machine is portable and widely versatile. With a total weight of around 30 pounds, you can easily move and transport it wherever you need. The lightweight and space-saving design make it perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, bathrooms, and more. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to the hassle of laundry and hello to the convenience of the HABUTWAY 17.6Lb portable twin tub washing machine. Click the link in the description to get yours today and make laundry day a breeze.